What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Solana, currently sitting at $56. We're up 2%, 2.4 on the day. So your market cap 23.84 billion, 24-hour volume 1.16 billion. So if we look at the chart, we rejected off our head and shoulders retest rejection. So the higher probability is coming down. In our wave 2 towards our target zone, I would watch the min target here, the 38.2 of $48. Depending on how far BTC pulls back, there's obviously the chance of just bouncing off that min target. But if we do enter that pullback zone, I will likely give a trade signal for Solana to ride up that big juicy wave 3. Let's say we come down to the 50% at $43. Then I can give you a target for the wave 3 trend-based subextension from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top. And let's say we come down to the 50%. Then you would target the 1.618 all the way up here for the wave 3, which would be all the way up at $126, which would be obviously absolutely insane and a massive trade opportunity. So if we do enter that target zone, I'll likely give a signal in the Discord for 10 USD per month. Wow, this got to be moved up here. So that's what I'm looking at. Some more pullback here for Solana. Retest rejection. Head and shoulders target also takes us down to that zone. So it would make sense, but just to watch that minimum target for Solana. On the weekly chart, as you can see, if we were to pull back to this support of $45, that lines up very close to our target zone. And that would basically retest, come down and retest a strong support here. In between about $43 to about $47, there's a lot of resistance in this area, resistance here. And basically we'll see how long it takes. Allow the 20 EMA on the weekly. We had the bullish cross to catch back up to the candles. We're overextended on the weekly, so it would be healthy to see that pullback. That's what I'm looking at for Solana. All signals will be given in the Discord. We're currently in trades for XRP, Gala Games, Ethereum. Firstly, you can sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with my subscribers only. And $10 a month to get access to the Discord, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, forex signals, forex analysis, all for $10 a month. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.